Okay, this is a mechanic Chevy. This is a Gen 3 Pajero. It's one of my own vehicles. I've been trying to diagnose this issue I've had with it, where you go on the accelerator and it gets a jutting, thudding sound. You let go of the accelerator, the thud goes away, but occasionally it'd come back. Now, what would the first issue was the drive shaft. Then after that was the wheel bearing. And every time I've changed apart, the noise has got better, or it went away completely, then it came back after 7 months or whatever. So they were different issues, but causing the same noise. Now this thing's causing the same noise again. And now I'm like, okay, well, what do we have? So we've done the wheel bearing, done the drive shaft. That needed to be done because they were worn components. Now we've got this other issue, but with the same noise. So it doesn't mean it's the same problem. It doesn't mean I didn't solve the issue last time. It just means that we're onto a different issue now. So what I've got here is how to test this, and I'm going to be testing out the ball joint on this, which is my up suspicion. The ball joint is the upper one only, which is located up there. It doesn't have a lower ball joint. Now what I've done is I've actually loaded up the spring here. In order to do that, what I've done is, if you get your floor jack or got yourself transmission jack, I've lifted this up, so where the wheel would sit like this, it's sitting up now. Now what that means is it's actually put all the load off the ball joint. So if I go to my wheel here now and I move this wheel, now you can see the play in there. And if you focus towards the ball joint, you can see where the ball joint is. If you focus there, you can see the movement there. Now the minute I release the pressure off the spring, which I'm about to do right now, see? Right, and now you get no movement at all. Now I'm doing the same movement and the wheel is not moving at all. So guys, whenever you diagnose a car and it's on the hoist and it's suspension, it is a tip to load up the suspension as well to get different scenarios, where if it was a wheel bearing you wouldn't have to load up the suspension necessarily, but in this case, because it's a ball joint, we kind of have to. So if you're ever going through that, just make sure to do it loaded and unloaded, to put the suspension through its different phases and different loads, and then they'll show out if they're actually weak or gone wrong. So I'll make a couple of videos on how to replace the upper ball joint on the rear of a Gen 3 Pajero, and this will also work for a Gen 4 Pajero.